How to transfer text messages from Android to Android. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how you can easily transfer text messages from your M1 Android phone to another. So the very first thing you want to do is download an application. Open up your Google Play Store, and then here you can just search for something called SMS Backup. Go to the search bar and then search for SMS Backup. Hit enter. And then you'll find this option called SMS Backup and Restore, which has over 10 million plus downloads and quite a good review. Tap on install. Now just wait for a bit and install the application. It's just 16 megabytes, so it's not gonna take a long time to download. And once the installation process is complete, you just want to open up the app. Go ahead and tap on this open button over here on the SMS and Restore. Then you can just click on get started. Allow your permissions, allow your contacts and notifications as well. Allow all of these messages. And then from here, tap on set a backup. You can select messages and call logs. I'll just do only messages. I don't want my call logs. Just tap on next. You can save it to Google Drive, your phone, or your OneDrive or Dropbox. I can do Google Drive. Check this box. Now from here you can either log into your Google Drive, or what you could do is first save it to your phone. So I'll just save it to my phone. I'll do it on my internal app. Backup store in this folder will be deleted if the app is uninstalled. So just tap on OK. I'll just turn off Google Drive for now. Tap on next. Tap on yes. It's going to create a local backup. Now just tap on settings. And then allow the permission for alarms and reminders. I'll just do this weekly for now, and then tap on backup now. And once your backup is created, it's going to create an XML file. Now all you have to do is find the file and then download it. So here, tap on the view details button on the top, and then it's going to show you the XML file. This one right here is the file. So it's right here on this location. You could just tap on this and then you can upload it to Google Drive. So what I can do now is open up my files. Now go ahead and tap on backup now, and then go ahead and click on backup. You can configure your location where you want to backup, and then tap on backup. Tap on yes. And once the backup is complete, you can just view the details, and then you could easily upload this to your Google Drive and access it via your other phone. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.